so right now we're on another beach here in Bali. It's called Gunung Payung. Mind you, there is a shuttle for you to go down here. However, you would need to wait until 11 o'clock in the morning for the shuttle to be available. It is a steep walk, but it is not as steep as in Nyang Nyang Beach. So I would suggest that if ever you go here, you have to wait for at least 11 o'clock so you wouldn't have a hard time going down from the top. Now, as you can see, the shoreline isn't as big as Nyang Nyang or the rest of the beaches here in Bali, but still as the same because Bali has open sea. The waves are extremely high. Good thing about here in Bali is because all of the beaches have active lifeguards. So if ever you got into an accident, hopefully you don't, there will be people that are very much responsible in making sure everyone is safe. There are markers. If you would notice, there's actually a couple of red flags. Those are markers for you that, you know, the current or the waves are extremely high. So if you're not an experienced swimmer, I don't think it's really advisable for you to take a swim. Might as well just sit by the shore where you can see where the waves come crashing, because you know you have to be safe. That's open sea. You don't want to go to anywhere place else, just in Bali. So that is that here in Gunung Payung, and still quite amazing. White sand and very, very beautiful beach. So I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.